kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today we're going to draw a super cute Velociraptor dinosaur. Let's start with the eyes. One large round eye that's wide open and happy. Now, add the snout. Draw a wide, upward curving mouth line for a friendly smile. Inside the mouth, draw rows of small, sharp teeth on the upper and lower jaws. Don't forget the curved line for the tongue inside. Make it curvy and slightly chubby, like a large pear shape. Next, draw the belly. Then, draw the long pointed tail at the back of the body. Now, add the legs. Two smaller, slender front legs, complete with 3 strong black claws on each hand. And 2 larger, stronger, and longer back legs, also with 3 large, sharp black claws. For additional detail, draw stripes along its head, body, and tail. Finally, for the sketch, and add 2 small clumps of greenery bushes to the left and right. Draw a small patch of gravelly sand beneath the dinosaur's feet. Great job! Now, it's time to color it in. Color the dinosaur's main skin a cheerful, bright green. Use a darker shade of green to color the stripes on its body. Use the same yellow for the inside of its mouth. Color its belly a pastel yellow or cream. Color all of its claws a solid black. Leave its teeth white. And green for the surrounding bushes. Use a light brown for the sand, gray for the gravel. Your cute Velociraptor dinosaur is ready for adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next drawing. Bye!